Well, we are here at the Extreme Gaming Lounge where BenQ is going to launch not one, not two, but 3 gaming monitors. What are they all about? Well, we're here to find out. The event is about to begin and excitement is abuzz. Let's see what some of our experts think before the product is showcased to us.
This time they have combined all of them in one. They are going with very high refresh rate, so I'm hoping to see some really good monitors for gaming, for gamers, so it's gonna be fun.
I would like to see what kind of features they have implemented to actually prevent any kind of stress on eyes. Especially they are launching the high definition monitors, so they will give a good amount of stress on your eyes if you play games for a long time. So I would like to see that, what kind of features they have given in that particular department to actually counter this thing.
Well, if you're someone who's planning to upgrade your gaming rig, I'd say hold your horses right there. We have Rohit Khurana with us, who's going to explain all the features of the monitor.
BenQ has launched its new series of gaming monitors in India, the XLZ series, in which it has launched 3 products. The 27-inch monitor, which is one you see behind me, and there are 2 24-inch monitors as well. They have been priced at 37,500, 32,500 and 30,000 rupees respectively. These monitors come with very interesting display technologies which are specially customized for gamers. You have the low blue light technology which protects your eyes from damage. You have the low blur technology in which it reduces the motion blur so that you can do the gaming much better. There is also one very new technology they have used is the black equalizer. This makes the dark scenes of the game get brighter without affecting the rest of the screen. So if you have some dark corners while the gameplay, the dark corners will get lit, but the other parts of the screen will not be affected. This is a very good technology. Apart from that, these monitors are 3D ready. You can buy separate 3D kits which includes a transmitter which is to be attached with the gaming rig or the PC that you use for gaming, and there is active 3D glass which you need to use. Only the top 2 models are 3D capable and they can produce some very cool 3D gaming effects for you. The build of these monitors are very nice and the design is also very good. The height adjust swivel features of these monitors make it very easy to use for gamers, and also it comes with gaming mode download feature in which you can download modes for gaming. It also comes with a hardware accessory in which you can change the gaming mode on the monitor on the fly. This small controller switch allows you to switch between the gaming modes on the fly just using a small button. There is 1, 2, 3 button and there is a scroller. Apart from that, there are touch buttons on the display which makes it very easy to operate them. The low blue light technology is also very good for eyes. So all in all, these monitors are very good value for gamers. Although they may seem slightly steeply priced, but the kind of features and technology they offer, they are top notch when it comes to gaming technology.
Well, those were the 3 monitors launched by BenQ. Bring on the questions, guys.
What is the difference between traditional monitors and gaming monitors?
The difference between a traditional monitor and a gaming monitor is some few things, which includes the refresh rate, how smooth the display is, how well the technology is. The display technology used here is LED backlit technology which is flicker free. It is also low blue light technology which reduces the strain on eyes. It is fast refresh rate which improves the game playing experience. Also the kind of richness, contrast ratios, and the display input supports refresh rate. So all of these technologies combined together make it equipped for better gaming experience. All these small factors are much enhanced compared to normal display technologies when it comes to gaming monitors.
Rohit, what is the refresh rate and how important is this with respect to gaming?
Refresh rate is the times a display is refreshed in particular amount of time. For example, a refresh rate of 144 Hz means that the display is refreshed 144 times in 1 second. That's very fast. For gaming performance, high refresh rate means a lot because you need to be very alert and you need to see every frame of the game. Higher the refresh rates, better is the motion smoothness of the game, as well as after 120 frames per second the display becomes 3D ready, which is why these 2 displays that we see out, the top 2 of 3 are actually 3D ready.
Do these monitors support 3D? Also, if you can tell us how.
After you have a refresh rate of 120 Hz or higher, you can use monitors in 3D mode. For that, you will need to buy a separate kit which is available in the market. That will include a 3D glass which is an active 3D glass, and you will get a transmitter which you need to attach to your gaming PC. The transmitter communicates with the glass and the graphics card and makes the 3D graphics possible.
That then was Byte Me for this week. Write to us with your feedback or your story ideas and you may just get featured on our show. Our quest for finding you the best tech story continues because this is exactly what this show is all about.
Same show, same time, next week. I'll be back.